All right, so when you trade new level, because we take the signals from the daily time frame, a lot of times there aren't many signals that we catch throughout the week. We may catch one, maybe two signals per week, and that depends on how the market is moving. So a lot of the trades that you guys see me actually show you guys, or that I post on the YouTube channel or in the Forex King trading group, a lot of those trades are basic continuation trades that essentially I'm trading new level, but I'm trading it on a lower time frame to just to catch the move that has already started, right? So let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so here we are on the British Pound USD daily time frame, right? And this is how you still are able to, catch a few trades during the week, although on the daily time frame, trading the new level strategy may not have given you a setup on a particular pair this week. So this is how you still can catch trades, and this is how I catch trades all the time. So let's say right here would be the signal to go short on this pair trading new level, right? But let's say you missed this signal, right? And the signal took place, we're in the trade, but let's say you didn't notice it until you got down to here, right? But you still believe that the pair may go all the way to this level right here of support, right? So how do we get into this move? So here's where you want to get in. So this right here would be your trading day, right? Here's where you would notice that you want to get in. So this would be your trading day right here, okay? And the only thing you have to do, first thing that I do, is I go in and I mark off where I think price wants to go to, or the next level of support. So I go in and I put a line there just in case when I switch over to the other time frames, I always know what my reference point is when it comes to my next level of support, just in case my support and resistance indicator doesn't draw all these lines in. Okay? All right, so what I would do, I would first try and take the trade on the 4-hour time frame, because I just believe that the higher the time frame is, the more meaningful the move is. So I will go to the 4-hour time frame. Now I've already marked in the day that I want to start trading on, right? So what I need to do is wait for a pull back into this structure level right here in order to give me an entry. But as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's not really, the candles are still red, right? Remember, there's 4 1-hour candles in this entire candle. So maybe I have to drop down to a lower time frame to notice the pullback. So I'll go down to the 1 hour. And truth be told, guys, when I trade these continuation trades, they usually work out as simple day trades. So I don't really wait for the pullback on the 4-hour. Most of the time, I'm looking at the 1 hour or the 30-minute or the 15-minute time frame to get the pullback. All right, but it looks like the 1 hour has given us a pullback. Okay, so again, here's here's our trading day right here, where we would start trading. So now we're looking for a pullback into this level right here. Okay, now you got to kind of gauge this out, because sometimes the pullback doesn't give you the pullback from this level right here isn't complete, right? So there's 2 ways you can play this. Once you see price goes up and then you see it start printing these red candles, you can go ahead and hop into the trade. Or since I have a minor level of support right here, a lot of times what I would do, I would go ahead and place my entry, my sell stop entry at the break of this lower level of support, because I know this is a minor level of support. So I will go ahead and place my sell stop entry right here, right? And then if I place my sell stop entry right here, I'm noticing this consolidation area. So essentially I want to place my stop loss where right here. I don't want to place it here, because I know price could come back and retest this consolidation, could trade back to the highs of this consolidation. So what I want to do, I want to know I'm wrong if price comes back and stops me out. I don't want to just get stopped out just because it came back and retested this consolidation area. So my stop loss will go back here. Okay. All right. So I'm looking at a 67 pip stop. Remember, this is still a swing trade, and I'm looking at a take profit of 100 and let's say roughly 110 pips, because remember, I've already pre-marked in this level right here of support where I think price is going to go. And let me show you guys that a little bit closer. Let me change the color. Let's change the color to red so you guys can really see what I'm talking about when I say I've already marked in my level of support. If I go back to the daily, boom, that is the level right there. So again, you can catch a lot of trades trading new level, although you take the initial signal from the daily time frame. But if you don't get a lot of signals, you can just simply trade the continuation moves. But you want to trade the continuation moves in a strong trend on the lower time frames, and always wait for your pullbacks into that level. You can use your momentum indicators, your overbought, oversold indicators, your stochastics, CCIs, MACDs, whatever you guys use. Just understand what the indicator means, drop down to the lower time frames, and it will allow you to join into the move. All right, Forex King, have a good day. Please remember to like, subscribe,